Hello and welcome to another VetGuardian tutorial video. In this video, we'll go over how to run a session with the VetGuardian, including how to set up the mounting arm, how to position the device, and most importantly, how to calibrate the temperature. Before you begin, please make sure your device is charged or plugged into a wall outlet. Also, make sure you have already completed the initial installation described in the Quick Start Guide. This means you have set up a VetGuardian account, and your device has been added to your clinic. First, let's turn on the device. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. You should hear a click. After 1 minute, a corner LED light will blink light blue, which means the device is loading. Shortly after, a corner LED will turn green, which means the device has successfully connected to the network. With the device turned over, locate the clip on the back of the device. Push down on the top of the clip where the grooves are and slide it downwards to remove it. Now grab the end of the mounting arm, which is not attached to the clamp, and attach the clip by screwing it onto this end. With the other end, attach the clamp of the mounting arm to an IV pole or directly to a cage. Tighten the clamp securely. Turn the center knob counterclockwise to slightly loosen the mounting arm. Then tilt the clip downward at a 4 to 5 degree angle. Remember that the patient's full body will need to be visible to the VetGuardian camera. Once you're satisfied with the position, turn the center knob clockwise to tighten the mount. Then slide the device back into the clip. Next, let's navigate to the VetGuardian Cloud app. Enter cloudapp.vetguardian.com and log in. Select your device. On the Session Setup screen, click Enable Video to turn on the camera. Using the video feed, readjust the mounting arm if needed. The patient's full body and head must be visible to the camera. On the Session Setup screen, click the plus button to add a new patient to the system, or if the patient's already in the system, you can simply enter their name or patient ID in the search box and the patient will pop up. Now take a manual reading of the patient's temperature. Enter the initial manual temperature reading in the temperature box. Then click Start when the patient's eye is visible to the camera. The temperature will be calibrated and the session will begin. It will take about 30 seconds for the device to start picking up vital signs. If a session is started without an initial manual temperature entry, the VetGuardian uses a midpoint temp as the starting calibration point. This option can be used for patients determined to be at a normal temperature at the start of monitoring. The midpoint temp is halfway between the low warning and high warning values for the selected species/weight. Finally, make sure that the biosignal value is consistently above the threshold of 21%. If the biosignal value falls below 21%, the device must be repositioned. Congratulations! Your device is now ready for use. Remember, the temperature must be calibrated with a manual temperature reading at the beginning of every session. If you would like to enable push notifications, click the bell icon toggle on the session screen. Thanks for watching the VetGuardian tutorial video series. Please watch our next video to learn about the rest of the VetGuardian software's features.